Australian mining product and services, oil-cooled electric motorized, and permanent magnetic pulleys.
We manufacture and supply against individual specifications, including power requirements, motorized pulleys, rollers and permanent magnet pulleys. The video shows our demonstration pulley working,
This is our stock.
as well as a pulley under test before it was sent to us here in Australia.
And it's under testing.
All pulleys and rollers can be appropriately lagged. Safety, a reduction in energy consumption, and increased operational efficiencies along with far shorter delivered-to-site periods and very competitive rates give our product an edge over similar items. Every pulley and roller is tested before dispatch to ensure that they meet the customer's specification.
Oil-cooled motorized pulleys are easily incorporated and installed into a belt conveying system needing minimal maintenance over the life of the pulley. Our pulleys are manufactured to your specific requirements. These motorized pulleys are safe, as moving components are within the shell. Due to fewer moving components, friction between moving parts are reduced to deliver optimum efficiency. A greatly reduced operational level is achieved as components that drive belts are within the pulley case. Motorized pulleys need a smaller footprint.
One advantage of permanent magnet pulleys is that they can help in a reduction of foreign objects not required to be processed. We are always available and a free call away on 130-024-1620 or just email your requirement.